Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum boys. How are you class 4? I hope you all are fine and perfect. Boys, today is Monday 29 March 2021. We are doing our topic number and arithmetic operation. In our last lecture we have done place values, and you all know what are place values? The value of a given digit in a number. Boys, we have done exercise 1A. Now we will move toward exercise 1B. In exercise 1B, we have to do addition and subtraction. Okay? And in class 3, in class 2 and 1 class, you know additions mean to add, okay, to sum things, to plus. Subtraction mean to minus, subtract, and to find out the difference. Okay? So what are some rules to do addition and subtraction of big digits? Number 1 is give space between digit. Okay, writing a digit you have to give space. In English, when we write a word, you can see here give. I am not giving space in give. There is no space. But when we are doing addition and subtraction, we have to give space. Here you can see these words are with spaces. Write under column from right to left. Here you can see I have written 0 under 0, 0 under 0, 0 under 0, 6 under 0, and there is nothing under 1. So I have started from right hand side and end on the left hand side. This is our second rule. Our third rule is, boys, start with ones, then tens, then 100. Means we have to move from here. Even if we are doing addition or subtraction, we have to start adding from here, then here, then. Then we will move toward the left hand side. Okay? Boys, here you can see there are two sums. One is of addition and one is of subtraction. Okay, let's move toward our sum. Here you can see, boys, we have written digit with spaces. Okay, and 1 under 6, 4 under 2, 3 under 2. Okay, these are in columns, and here you can see the spaces. So now we are going to add 6 plus 1 is 7, 4 plus 2 is 6, 3 plus 2 is 5. That's very easy. We have added two numbers, that is 246 and 321, and our answer is 567. Now boys, here is our other sum, 6, 8 and 6. Let's read it. 686, okay, and we have to subtract 497. So as 7 is big and 6 is small, we cannot subtract 7 from 6. What we will do? We will ask 8 to borrow us. When 8 will borrow us, it will become 7 and it will become 1, 6, 16, because it comes from tens column. So 1 is 10. This 1 means 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 minus 7 is 9, boys. Now it is 7 and 9. We cannot subtract 9 from 7. The same rules implies over here. We will ask 6 to borrow us something, as 6 is in 100 place. So when 6 give 1 over here, it will be 17 and it will be 5. Okay, because there is the difference in their place values. So it is 17. 17 minus 9 is 8, boys. Now 5. We have to subtract 4 from 5, and when we subtract it, our answer is 189. Now you can see when we give spaces and write in the column, mean digit under digit, there is no problem in doing addition and subtraction of bigger values. It is same as the addition and subtraction of smaller number. Okay, so always remember, give spaces so our work look good, and write in columns. Let's move toward our exercise. Now you can see, boys, you have to open your book. Exercise 1B, we are doing question number 1, that is fill in the blank. Our first blank is, you can read this number, 10,000 plus 6,000 plus 900 plus 5. What will be the answer? Here you can see I have written 10,000 00001. Then from the right hand side 6,000 unit tens 100, and in the thousand place 6, 900 unit tens, and on the 100 place 9 and 5. So 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 5. Now here are all zeros 0. 9 plus 0 plus 0 is 9. Then space, it is 6 and it is 1. So boys, here you can say it is 16,905. Let's write our answer. 16,000 space 905. Okay. Let's move toward our second blank, boys. That is 12,500 minus dash will be 5,600. But we have to subtract from it. So our answer is this. Okay. Let's take an easy example. If I say you have to subtract, okay, if I say you have to subtract something from 12 and the answer should be 5, you have to subtract something from 12. Here you can see something from 12, the answer should be 5. So what we will do, we will subtract 12 and 5 and that will be 7. Okay, do you get my point, boys? If I subtract 5, this 5 from this 12, my answer will be 7. Okay. But if I subtract 7 from 12, my answer will be 5. It means if I subtract this number, I will get this answer. If I subtract this number, I will get this answer. Okay. So now here you can see I have written 12,500 and from the right hand side, I have written 0065. Okay, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. Can I subtract 6 from 5? No, it will be 15 and it is 1. 15 minus 6 is 9. I cannot subtract 5 from 1, so this one will be 0 and it is now 11. Here you can see 11 minus 5 is 6. So our answer is 6,000 space 900, because in international place value, we have to give spaces after 3 digit from right hand side. Let's move toward our next blank, that is 100 more than 99,990 equals to. As we know, we have learned in class 3 and even in class 4 that more than means to increase, and for increasing we always add. Okay. So I have written 99,990, and because we have to add 100, so 0 in place of ones, 0 in place of tens, 1 in place of 100. Let's start addition. Can we start addition, boys, from this hand side? No, we have to do it from here. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 9 plus 0 is 9. Who is saying 0? No, 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. I will write 0 over here and 1 will be here. 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 over here, 1 over here. 9 plus 1 is 10. Now I will write full 10 because there is nothing where I can carry. Okay. In addition, we give carry. In subtraction, we take borrows. Okay. Whenever we take something from other, it is called borrow. So 100 more than 99,990 is 100,090. Okay.